Today on this quick episode, we'll be showing you how to do an oil change on a 2011 300C. The 5.7 Hemi takes 7 quarts of 5W20. We got our filter, Wix XP, a ratchet, and a 13mm socket for the oil pan drain plug, the large band oil filter wrench, and a 10mm socket for the underbelly pan. There you go. Okay. Take the oil cap off. Remove the 4 10mm belly pan bolts, but that's if you have one. No belly pan. So we're gonna go straight to our next step, which is drain the oil pan. Oh man. There's the oil pan drain plug underneath the front of the car. Damn. So next up, while that drains, we gotta remove that oil filter with our oil pan filter wrench. Alright. Make sure you wipe where the oil filter goes in and make sure that the rubber gasket's off. Sometimes they get stuck right up there. Just wipe it off. I like to pre-charge the filter. Pre-charge the filter. I put oil on the gasket so it doesn't stick. Take a look. So now we can verify that the gasket's off. See you in there? Right there. Boom. Stuck tight about quarter turn past one. It's tight to the body. Let's get our plug it back in. Alright. Okay, nice. Now that we're done under here, because we don't have a belly pan, usually you do, just like if you look at our past episodes, fill her up with oil. 7 quarts, remember? Oh yeah. Way better looking. Alright, we're gonna leave it at that. Even though while it's up, we're gonna check the fluid, see if we're in the ballpark. It's good. Let's put the cap back on. Roll it off the ramps, and let it sit for a bit. So now, let's go reset the engine oil light. This is how I do it. Put it in ignition position. Press the gas 3 times before 10 seconds. I think we did that. And then do it again, just in case. Damn. Alright. And that is how you do an oil change on a 2011 Chrysler 300C.